Matt Day here with Parsons, Graham and Day, and want to take a second to talk about parenting coordinators. Now, some of you, the lucky ones, don't know what a parenting coordinator is. Someday, however, you may find out what a parenting coordinator is when one gets appointed to your case. Parenting coordinator is basically what the name implies. It is a third party who assists the parents in coordinating their efforts to parent their children. The parenting coordinator can be appointed on the court's motion, so the court's hearing evidence or is reviewing a docket and decides that a parenting coordinator is necessary, or one or both of the parties can ask for a parenting coordinator. Frequently, parenting coordinators come into play when there is some sort of custody plan, typically a joint custody plan. The role of a parenting coordinator is to help identify issues and find resolutions for those issues. So come in, identify the problems, and identify solutions. Most of the time, the parenting coordinator acts as somewhat of a mediator on call for the parties. So they can email, call, or come in and meet with the parenting coordinator and say, hey, parenting coordinator, we've got this issue. The doctor has recommended that little Jimmy get this particular procedure done. I think that he should. The other side thinks that he should not. We need assistance in resolving this issue. And the parenting coordinator hear everybody out, take a look at any information that's available, and then render a decision or recommendation. Typically that is filed with the court, and the parties have a limited number of days within which to object to that recommendation. If an objection is not had within those days, then the recommendation becomes an order of the court, by operation typically of the order appointing the parenting coordinator. So parenting coordination involves assisting people with immediate issues and trying to help them find immediate solutions. These are quick things that need resolution. Parenting coordinator cannot make permanent changes to things like visitation or who has legal custody. All right. So if your goal is to use a parenting coordinator to take a person from 50-50 time down to alternating weekends, not going to work, right? If your goal is to go from having the other party have final say to having pure joint custody, not going to work with a parenting coordinator, right? It is identify those quick issues and try to quickly assist the parties in resolving them. And sometimes, frequently, it'll involve filing those recommendations with the court and eventually becoming orders of the court. For more information, visit our website, www.pdtulsalaw.com. If you need assistance getting a parenting coordinator on your case, or your case is having other issues, give us a call today at 918-307-1529.
The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons, Graham, and Day and anyone watching this video.